Good morning, we're Jim and Fran. This morning we're running Hieroglyphic Mountain Trail, which is off of Carefree Highway. I believe it's actually in Peoria, Arizona, west of I-17. I don't know, 19, 20 miles or so. We're cruising through the staging area. We've aired down to about 15. We run a 24 Rubicon, 37-inch mud terrain tires, 3.5-inch lift, and we're really excited because we're just got Gen Right bumpers to replace our steel bumpers. They're lighter and they collect, especially in the rear, much less dust. This trail is rated as difficult by Fun Treks and by Trails Off-Road. I don't think it's going to be that difficult. In any event, as usual, we start at sunrise and we are on our own. So we have a problem, we're on our own. Check in with you later. Just finished running Hieroglyphic Mountain Loop. It is a difficult course. Not terribly difficult. There are some rock waterfalls. Mainly it's you're kind of high up. Some of it's narrow. You get tippy. I rolled about 24% at the max. Pitch was maybe 25. Fortunately not at the same time. Front camera, we used it a lot. That was really helpful. Fran did spotting, which was really very helpful. We saw 3 side-by-sides on the trip, on the course. That was good. So we had a great time. Recommend it. Do like having a front camera though. And that was it. That's a wrap.